I will name the menu items one by one and point to them with the mouse. File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, Help. Now I click Insert with the left mouse button and drop-down menu opens. Then I move the cursor to building blocks. Another drop-down menu opens as well. Here you can see the document templates available in Google Docs. I move the mouse over each template and preview of the document appears on the page. Google Docs has many different templates for a lot of different documents, business documents, black and white and colorful. It's very useful and important for good work and easy to create business documents, different business documents. Today we will learn about only one draft, but it's okay. Now I close the side menu. I just click the X in the top right corner. I choose the email draft template and click on it with the left mouse button. The email draft appears on the page. Now the document is ready to use. I can add recipients in the correct fields. Then I can fill in the subject field. I type in draft email. It's easy. I can type in anything. At the end of the head row, there is a drop-down menu for borders. This menu is used to show cell borders. Now I open this menu. Then I can write the email text. I type in something easy, maybe small letter about my colleague, coworker. Yeah. Then the email is ready. I can format it. To change the format, I use the toolbar, and I also use the format menu. It's important to remember to change the text. You must select the text first and then choose a menu option or click the correct button on the toolbar. I can change the font size. I select the text now and I make the text bold. And now I apply italic. I change the text to bold and italic. Yeah, you can see. I can change the text color as well. I can change the font. Look a little bit different. Look like a little bit different. I can change the size font and font. I can change the alignment, tone for title now. Please pay attention to the cursor on the screen. This will help you understand each step and complete the task more easily. Yeah. And I can also change the line spacing. Yeah, it's sometimes very important for business documents. And I can change the space between paragraphs as well as the paragraph indent. Sometimes it's very important. Right size of paragraph indent. If I make a formatting mistake, I can undo the last action by using the undo button. I can redo the last action by using the redo button. I use the redo button to do the action again. If you want to save the document to your computer, you can choose download from file menu. Yeah. You can also find undo and redo in the edit menu. They have keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. We will learn more about keyboard shortcuts later on this lesson. If I want to add image or table, I have to go to Insert menu again. If I want to add emoji or something else, I go to the Insert menu as well. I choose emoji in the Insert menu. Look, it's small, wonderful emoji. We will learn about all the options in the Insert menu in the next lessons. Yeah, it's big, long menu, more open. Yeah, it's important to remember again to change the text. You must select the text first and then choose the menu option or click the correct button on the toolbar. I can change the text from lowercase letter to uppercase letters and back. Look like I change the title now. Yeah. Remember, we select and go to the toolbar and use menu, use option uppercase. Yeah. After that, we go to down of drop-down menu and select option clear formatting. This is a clear formatting function in the format menu. Now I use clear formatting from the format menu. We will look at all the options in format menu in the next lessons. The clear formatting function can be used on any text you select, like that. It removes all formatting from the selected text. It's easy. Now I can apply clear formatting to the text I selected. And now I use the option count word. It's very interesting because sometimes it's very important for business document. We will learn more about the tools menu later. For example, here there is a dictionary that helps find synonyms. You see the synonyms for the word on the screen. Teacher is very popular word, but now you can see more synonyms for this word. Now I close the menu. I just click the X in the top right corner. This is a translate document function. Now I show how to document translator works. Look, the first line. Yeah. Choose language. Yeah. Oh, very interesting. Look, the first line of the text didn't translate. Why? I think it's because the text is written capital letters, maybe. I can change the text from lowercase letters to uppercase letters and back. Now I show again how to document translator works. Yeah, we will wait a little bit. Look, the result didn't change. Even a negative result is a result. So we have what we have. Try again. We will need to translate it without the text editor. There is a help button in Google Docs. Here you can find tips and instructions. Look, here is a full list of keyboard shortcuts. I promise to show it to you. The section with keyboard shortcuts is very useful. It's good to learn them to work faster and more comfortable. Do you know that keyboard shortcuts first appeared? The first personal computers didn't have a mouse. People used only the keyboard. This is how shortcuts were born. It's very interesting. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Now I close this small window and I want to show you how to change the paragraph indent. For this, I use the horizontal ruler. I simply move the slider to the required indent size. Look. Yeah. This is a little hand skill, and you can move the whole paragraph or just the first line. Yeah. Now email is almost ready and it can be saved to the computer. It's important to remember again, if you want to save the document to your computer, you can choose download it from your file menu.